Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to repair Adobe Acrobat on your Windows 10 11 PC or laptop. So very easy guys, firstly click on Start, type here settings, click on settings, after guys here option Adobe here there, so double click, after click on modify and here option repair install as errors in the program. The option fix missing or corrupt file shortcut and register it. So click on it. Step is successfully installed. Click on finish. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to repair Adobe Acrobat on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.